I just want to say I apologize for my hair today and my t-shirt, and I'm a hot mess because that's what you get when you're 9 months pregnant. So I am going to be talking about a product today that we have not tried before. It is called the First Year's Simple Steam Microwave Steamer. So this product was $16.99 on Target.com. My mom got it for us for the baby shower. Some highlights that I wanted to talk about. Right on the box, it says that it has the cover, lock, and steam vent for safety. It fits standard microwaves. Used for bottles, pacifiers, and pump parts, and it holds 4 bottles. So I'm going to take it out of the box here so you can see it. And again, sorry, I'm a hot mess today. What better for making videos than a gloomy day like today, because it's been gray and rainy all day long. So I'm going to go ahead and set the box aside. And it does come in package here. So I'll take it out of the plastic so we can look into it. Okay. So, looks really nice. Kind of reminds me of one of those pancake holders that you put in the microwave after you make your pancakes on the stove to keep them warm. But looks pretty nice so far. I was on their website on Target and wrote down some things that I wanted to share that I think that would be important. So here are some of the highlights on the website. So this item destroys harmful household bacteria on bottles, pacifiers, breast pump parts, and other small items in just minutes. So that's ideal. I know a lot of people suggest doing the sterilization with boiling water on the stove, and so I'm trying not to do that, trying to eliminate some time. Holds 4 complete bottles plus other small items, fits in all standard microwaves as it said on the box, BPA free, and dishwasher safe. So that's cool. These are people who have purchased online on Target and have reviewed the product on Target.com. So we got 4.8 out of 5 stars out of a 14-star rating. 100% would recommend this product out of 7 recommendations. 5 out of 5 for easy to clean. 4.6 out of 5 for quality, and 5 out of 5 for value. We're gonna try that out. So we have today products that I'm going to be putting into the microwave sterilizer. I have this silicone hand breast pump that I'm going to try. I have a few of these MAM bottles. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but we have those that I want to try. I have quite a few pacifiers that I want to sterilize today of all sorts of different brands. I have a medicine device here. I don't know if that's something that you need to put into sterilizer, but I'm going to. I have this little toothbrush. So these are the products that I'm going to be trying out in the microwave sterilizer. I have a couple items that I don't think I'll be putting into the microwave just because I don't think these are going to be safe for microwaving. I've never microwaved a stuffed animal before, so I don't know if that would be a good idea. So for these, I think I still might do the pot on the stove to boil to sterilize. Okay, so I have the instructions here. I'm just gonna take a look and see how this device works. The first thing that I noticed is the lid stays on pretty well. So you can see I'm holding on to the knob and it's not going anywhere. So the very first instruction here, it says to turn knob to lock and unlock lid. So that is how you take the lid off and here. Okay, so the knob does turn, and that is how you secure it as well. So that's how you do that. The second part on the top right here, it's a little button. That is the steam release valve to help contents cool faster. So that's good to know. I'm gonna go ahead and take the lid off so you can see the inside of it. This is the drying tray organizer. So it talks about these little trees here. As you can see, it says there are 2 nipple trees to hang nipples on or collars on. And then there's some design in here. And those are for, it's a crescent shape, holds tall, narrow neck bottles. Okay? And then sounds like this part actually comes out here. So I'll go ahead, put that on the counter, show you the bottom part. This is the Sterilizer base. It's designed handles which double as pour spouts for easy and safe water removal. So that is pretty cool. It's talking about these side pieces here. That is the base. Before sterilization, it says to wash the parts thoroughly with soap and water. So we'll go ahead and get these items cleaned and ready to sanitize some products. Okay, so now that I have the parts cleaned and ready to be used, I'm going to go ahead and fill the base with water. Got the base here. Have the little tree, so I'll go ahead and fill that with the parts that I want to sterilize. I did want to show, these are the items that I will be sterilizing or trying to fit in there. So there's a dog hair. So ignore the sad dead flower here, or dying flower. But I have 3 bottles here, the hand pump, and I have some nipples, again the little teether medicine device there. So these are the items that I'm planning on trying to fit into this sterilizer. So I always have someone in my videos with me, so I just wanted to show her real quick. I'll get down here. This is Ellie, and yes, she is sitting on, laying now, in a cute little ball on a kitchen chair. Okay, so the first thing that it says to do is to remove the little organizer and go ahead and pour your 7 ounces of water into the base. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So water is in there. It says to go ahead and return the base, or return the organizer to the base. So that's done. Now I'll go ahead and fill it up. Okay, now we have it filled up. I did not add these 2 bottles. I just wanted to do the 1 bottle and the 1 hand pump. So just in case, I don't know how this is going to work out. So I did not want to put another bottle in there just in case. So now we'll go ahead and put the lid back on top here. You do kind of have to play around with the lid part, the knob. So now it's ready. So we got water parts. Now we can go ahead and put it into the microwave. I do want to mention that it does say to keep the valve shut. So we'll go ahead and do that. Put it in the microwave. Okay, so the sterilization part is completed. I did want to mention that I put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. It is according to wattage, so you do need to pay attention to the instructions here. It says always wait at least 2 minutes before removing sterilizer from the microwave, but you can go ahead and release the valve there so it does not take as long to complete. Says be careful, do not put your hand over the steam release valve. This will result in serious injury. So when you're reaching into the microwave to release that valve, just be careful where you're putting your hand. So we'll go ahead and allow cooling time 2 minutes and we'll see how things look after that. Okay, so once the sterilizer was complete, the whole entire process, it had finished cooling for the most part. I did allow at least 2 minutes for cooling. And I was careful when I took it out of the microwave because the item is still hot. The water at the bottom is still hot, so you do need to be careful. And then I just removed the items from the sterilizer and put them on my boom grass. So I just wanted to show that real quick. So these are all of the items on my boom grass. So I'll allow those items to go ahead and complete drying. I do have some more sterilizing to do. This is what I needed for the most part. I didn't have any pacifiers ready to go for the hospital, so now I am ready for the hospital. But yeah, so I was pretty excited about using these products today. So far, I really like the product. I think it made things a lot easier when you're trying to sterilize the items. Out of everything, I do recommend using this item. I don't know if anyone thinks that it's easier to go ahead and boil the water, but I did find that it made this process easier. After each cycle, it does say that it's best to go ahead and clean the product. Wash with mild soapy water and rinse thoroughly or run the item through the dishwasher. So anyway, thank you for watching my review on this item. Again, not sorry for the hot mess that I am today. Again, being 9 months pregnant is a little challenging at times. Thank you again for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I will get back to you. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Again, it is pretty gray out today, so hopefully here soon we'll start seeing some sun. If you did like watching this video, please subscribe. If you have any recommendations or any asks for the next video, also leave a comment and I look forward to seeing them. See you next time. Bye.